Alright, mate. Where are we going?
Around the corner, it seems like. I don't know. It'll be good. First trip out of Corsica. We've been sat in port for the past 4 days. Now we're finally hitting the seas. We're gonna go someplace nice. We've got Rosita that's up ahead. They've checked it out all for us. It's gonna be good.
Alright. I love it. Alright. Thank you very much for a cameo here.
From Josh.
Signing out.
Signing out.
It's nice. We're gonna be at Angkor tonight, so I'm looking forward to it because it's always nice. It's always nice being at Angkor. Dropping right now. We're on the move. We're moving to another anchorage just around that point there because that anchorage behind us, the first anchorage, is not ideal for overnight anchoring. So we're gonna go around this point there to a bay of Porto Vecchio. So should be a lot better there for an overnight anchoring. Guys are busy in the galley. I think they just finished serving dinner by the look of it. Yes. You guys done for the night?
Oh no, got dessert yet.
Pavlova.
Bring some down.
Yeah.
I might do, yeah.
If I don't eat it all, you can have some.
Alright, we finally settled for the night. It's very nice and comfortable here because it's very secure and protected inside a really nice big bay of on my left side here it's the town of Porto Vecchio. So it's such a beautiful night. It's been a while since we've been anchoring overnight. Probably last summer is the last time. I am going to bed and I'll see you tomorrow again on another day of fun. Nice, very calm this morning. Love it. Perfect for kayaking and paddleboard. Little island with a small sailboat that's shipwrecked. That one have seen better days by the look of it. Probably hit a storm or didn't see it sailing during the night. Chief engineer Miles is going to see a doctor. He's been in pain with his tonsillitis, man. Hopefully it's all be good. Because anyway, we're in this bay of Porto Vecchio. We transferred last night. It's not far from Bonifacio. It's only about 25 or 30 miles. Northeast of Bonifacio. It's nice here. It's very quiet this morning and last night. It's beautiful last night, man. Later on this early evening or late afternoon, we're gonna head back to Bonifacio. We're gonna stay there on the dock for a couple of days or so because there's a forecast strong wind coming midweek sometime. So it's always nice to be at port, you know.
Leon, Josh.
Yeah, go ahead.
Back now.
Yeah, we can hang it on the back for now. We're navigating through the small islands now here. We're not far from the entrance of Bonifacio now. We're heading back to Bonifacio because there's some forecast of a strong wind sometime during the week. And then it's always nice to be inside the harbor when the weather changes. In the next few minutes, we should be getting things ready, but hopefully we have time to eat our dinner. What time is it? What time is it?
Dinner time.
Then stop eating those pastries. Just chuck them in the bin. You're fattening us up.
It's a potato.
Getting busier here on Bonifacio. We just docked here, guys, about an hour ago. So we were expecting this boat to come onto our starboard side, but no, it's not coming to our starboard side. The guys are ready. Look, Ariel's ready. The wind is starting to blow now. It's blowing about 20 to 25 knots right now, but sometime tomorrow morning will be the strongest. Actually, there's a regatta going on at the moment on the town, so it's been going on for the last few days. But I think the race has been called off this morning because I saw them coming back earlier than usual. So I think it's been called off. It's so strong out there. Anyway, this is the wind. It's called mistral. It's actually caused by high pressure up there on Biscay and the low pressure here around this part of the Mediterranean. Good morning. It's pretty windy now. This is the strongest part of the mistral, I think. Looks like there's no tourist boat going out today. It's gonna be so rough out there. Everyone's inside the port, gusting about 35 knots or so. Yeah, this place gets windy often because of this weather system, you know that. So, as you can see over here, this are all the limestone cliff that been carved by the wind. So it shows that how often get windy here. Right, let me show the weather from the windy website. Alright, as you can see on the weather map here, this right there, that's mainland Spain, that's mainland France right there. Where we are now is on the island of Corsica right there, and that's Sardinia down south. So as you can see, where the reddish and orange color, that is where the wind is strong at the moment. So let's get a little bit closer. So this is the Alps right there. So this is the wind that has been funneling through, cold air been sucked out of the system, and it blasting through here. That's why this is the Gulf of Leon right here. That's why Gulf of Leon is very notorious on bad weather because of this weather system. So as you can see, it blows through here on the Western Mediterranean, and you can see this is Corsica right here, and this is Sardinia, and it funnels through in between the gap of both islands. So and as it passes through, it blasts out and it gets stronger again. As you can see, the red spots right here. So let's get closer. We're on the town of Bonifacio right here. As you can see, this is Bonifacio right there. This is where we are now, inside the port. And this is the northern tip of Sardinia right there. So it's gusting about 35 to 30 knots at the moment. So this is what we're saying now. So just want to say it to you so you can have an idea where it is. So this is, if you can see a blue patch like that, there's no wind in there. Beautiful in there now without any wind, as you can see. All right. Video. We got here.
And then you do like this, and then you wear like a belt with it, and it's really cute.
Beautiful.
There's our chief engineer. He's just alright now.
Back from the dead.
Good, man. Morning, girls. How many more sleeps?
2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What a walk, guys. Beautiful up here. Anyway, our 11-day guest trip has officially ended this morning, and it was a success trip. But most of those times we're actually tied down there on the dock down below, as you can see. But because of the weather, windy conditions, and of course some other circumstances that is out of our hands, I want to say thank you to all the crew, and especially to our stewardesses and the chef. They're the one that actually work hard during this trip, but you know, we help as much as we can. They're the hero, man. So thank you, guys. Lexi, Korea, the stewardess, and Kate and Tara. Big thumbs up. As always, thank you for watching, guys, and give this video a thumbs up, man. You know, get the YouTube algorithm going, and then you know, we'll help this channel. And then anyway, I will see you guys again in our next trip. So bye for now.